Matalane Mokgatla O motala. Go tsagana le nna. Park station ko gona mo. Ga gona mo go. Ebile o ka se be le mo go. Park station ko gona. Gona mo ke park station. Ke nyaka Matalane Mokgatla O motala. Go mo tseba. O mmotse gore magata mara mo sekaseke wa ditaba. A shu yena ne go sekaseka le yena ditaba. Ke nyaka gore nna le yena re takane. Ka gore ka bona gore o dira mmereko o mo botse. O go kgatlhisa ke sereti lebile o rekisa dibuku godimo ga moo. Ebile o na le dikgwebo ka mo di-side ya mo side. A le nka rata go tlaganya le Matalane Mokgatla O motala gore nna le ena re šome wena o ne o dule o bogela di-video jaaka o ne o dule o kry-a di-advice mo go nna. Share di-video. Report, be a good reporter. If you know, if you have watched over 100 of my videos, if yet you haven't watched over 100 of my videos, I'm saying, what is the product that I've produced in this YouTube? What's the product that I have produced in this YouTube? Your mind will shift in one way or another. And you know, I get a comment on YouTube. I get a comment on YouTube saying, can you please talk about King Baka? What? Talk about King Baka for what? No, I can't. I can't talk about King Baka. This guy, I don't know this guy. I don't know Keshelezi. I haven't met Keshelezi. What you must understand is that I'm not in favor with Keshelezi or Keshelezi. I don't know nothing about these guys. I don't know nothing about these guys. So I can't continue talking about these guys because they are fighting themselves. So why should I be included in something of which people are fighting themselves? Are in the same industry of healing people, but fighting. So why should I get into that, saying that I should get involved in those things? No, I don't have time to talk about that. I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things. There are businesses out there waiting for me to manage them. When I talk about something, I don't follow these guys. I can't follow these guys so they don't follow me. Why should I follow King Baka? For what? King Baka is a small boy to me. He's a small boy. Tetelezi, him too is a small boy to me. They know that they are small boys. So, they are small boys, both of them. Small boys. Small boys. You can tell them that there's someone who's talking. I'm not afraid of them. Whether you like Tetelezi or Kimbata, I'm not afraid of them. And I can't even continue talking about them. I can't. So, when our comment or no, I should talk about Kimbata, I should talk about Tetelezi. I will not talk about those guys. anymore in this channel. You can, this channel is not for small boys where those small boys just want likes, just want more views, just want what we call viewership. They just want viewership, and then they just want what do we call this thing? Uh, what do they call? Subscribers. When you subscribe to this channel, you are committing yourself to this channel. And then if not, I rather lose your subscriber, because I will not choose what you want me to talk about. I'm not saying this channel, you can look. Now I'm not afraid of the comment. But though I will choose what to talk about. Yes, you can write. I'm not disagreeing for you to write, but I can't talk about people. My life is not based on other people. So I'm not prepared to talk about them. I'm not prepared. So the next thing you are telling me that I should talk about some people, I should talk about this. Now you can go to other channels maybe where they talk about people. You can go to other channels where they talk about people. Now I'm not talking about people. I'm not talking about. Go to other. Go to other. Go other channels. And I'm not regretting, and I will not regret what I'm saying now. This channel is not for small boys. Where they fight for people to come to them. They fight for. This thing is for real life. I'm looking at the future now. This one is focusing on the future, not focusing on people. I am not focusing on people. So the right thing for you is to subscribe and share. Share for what and share for who? For those people who want to create their future. Not a future where you trust. They want those who are already in future, those who are already successful, to buy Moti. You are not trusting in Moti. You are trusting on your energy here. Trusting on focusing and learning. Not something of which you are running after healers and saying that you want you are not dealing with that. I'm working with people that want to start things from the scratch, want to create the future out of poverty from scratch. I'm not working with people of those they want things to happen like magically so you must understand my channel that is not favored by people who want things to happen like that. Lazy people. I'm not dealing with the lazy people. People who are afraid of the truth. The next thing you want me to talk about other people. This channel is not for that.